Welcome to the Voice of Indus Nation News. Jeay Sindh Freedom Movement held a rally against the enforced disappearance of Sindhi and Baloch nationalists. Jeay Sindh Freedom Movement held a rally against the enforced disappearance of Sindhi and Baloch nationalist workers on occasion International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearances, 13th August. Guided by Central Leaders Amar Azadi, Pireeh Sindhu, Sodho Sindhi, Shoban Lashari, Shan Sindhi, Mubasher, and Sajjad Burdi on the central call of Jeay Sindh Freedom Moment JSFM on 13th of August regarding International Day of Enforced Missing Persons. A peaceful and grand protest rally was held at Jhaz Chowk Sehwan Press Club for the forced disappearance of missing national workers of Sindh and Balochistan and the recovery of national workers imprisoned in state torture cells. On this occasion, the leader of JSFM, while talking to the media, said that we consider the issue of missing persons of national movement of Sindh and Balochistan as a violation of human rights. The issue of missing persons is to end the national freedom movements in Sindh and Balochistan. The series of enforced disappearances is increasing day by day, which is against human rights and a violation of the Constitution of Pakistan. He demanded that Faqir Ejaz Gaho, Sohail Raza Bhatti, Allah Wadhayo Mahar, Naveed Mirani, Akib Chandio, Naeem Murakani, Wahid Khangro, and other national workers should be immediately recovered and released. If the national workers are involved in any case, so they should be presented in the country's court. Enforced disappearances are intolerable act. He appealed to the domestic and foreign media and said that our protests against enforced disappearances in Sindh and Balochistan should be highlighted in media and covered as the atrocities of this fascist state Pakistan. Enforced disappearances are an intolerable act. He appealed to the domestic and foreign media and said that our protests against enforced disappearances in Sindh and Balochistan should be highlighted in media and covered as the atrocities of this fascist state Pakistan. On the other hand, Jeay Sindh Freedom Movement JSFM Chairman Suhail Abro, Vice Chairman Jeay Sindh Amar Azadi, Sodho Sindhi, Hafiz Deshi, and Pireeh Sindhu said in their joint statement that enforced disappearances are not only a serious violation of human rights but also a direct form of state terrorism. There is terrorism because state institutions not only violate the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, rather they also violate Articles 10 and 15 of the Constitution they created. They kill political and national activists extrajudicially. This proves that the judicial system here has failed, so we have no hope from them. We appeal to the Human Rights Amnesty International, the United Nations, and Human Rights Watch that action should be taken by putting pressure on Pakistan's intelligence agencies. Notice should be taken of this violation of international norms so that the national workers who were forcibly abducted from Sindh and Balochistan can be both released. Sindh and Balochistan can be released and reunited with their loved ones, otherwise the scope of the protest will be widened.